My name is Chuck Blanton. I am the Building and Facility Superintendent for Jewel Osco Fresh Food Center, and I've been with the company 19 years. We do all the fresh food, we do the meat, we do the frozen food, and we do all the dry goods that go out to all our stores for Jewel Osco.
We have multiple distribution centers on the property. Between the two locations, we distribute out to 187 retail stores. The lighting that we had here prior was quite challenging in regards to both operations and from a maintenance sanitation standpoint.
For the most part, it was dark. Not an ideal environment really to work in and day out.
It was kind of yellow and dull. You kind of needed a flashlight to do a lot of the stuff that you wish you didn't have to have a flashlight for.
It was kind of difficult to see. You work in this environment with a lot of other people. And driving that big machine, I mean, that's one thing, I don't want to hit somebody.
Even though it was fairly modern, we just were not seeing the quality of light at the lowest levels.
We were replacing bulbs all the time, but I used to order cases and cases just to be ahead.
We are a 24/7 operation, and anytime we're trying to do any type of work on our lights, we truly are in the way of operations, so that becomes a challenge. This actually worked out to be a really nice partnership aligning with US Energy, and really by going through and making this change, it really has eliminated all that additional labor and cost for us. There's little to no effort on our end in this project.
When Bob first contacted me about coming into the facility, he communicated well with me throughout the whole process. We knew that we can move while they were doing production, so they've worked very well with us on that.
From day one, the employees noticed the complete change in the environment out in the warehouse. They can read their paperwork, they can read the materials on the boxes. Just an overall good experience for the workforce down the floor.
New lights shine out more, expanded more, you can see more even in the long range. And they come on and they go off where it's needed at.
You walk in here and you can see everything. It's LED, it's saving money, so it's a good thing for the company.
It makes it more safe for me. The light has helped me a lot.
It goes beyond just that, just the morale improvement itself by having a brighter area for everybody. That's huge. Not only do we upgrade the LED lighting, but we're reducing the kilowatts that are used as well. And that was a challenge that corporate gave us 2 years ago.
We knew the lighting quality would be much greater, but we were also looking for a return on the investment in energy consumption as well. The one thing that I guess surprised me as we went through this process is you can go from fluorescent to LED and see a very sizable return on your investment.
I just think the company will benefit from it for years to come.